Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Trends. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you can earn a lot of profits in the future. Before starting our video, request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before any investment. Let's begin the review. What if I told you, friends, that there is new IEO launching on CoinStore Launchpad that combines sports, gaming, and blockchain rewards in one ecosystem. So we'll take you to the CoinStore Launchpad. You can see, and today we are going to talk about SCR. Why is creating buzz and why the CoinStore Launchpad is becoming one of the most interesting plays for early crypto opportunities right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in crypto launchpad IOs and early stages blockchain projects, make sure you are subscribed. Also, don't forget to follow Coins Store official YouTube channel, and also I'll drop in the comment after the video, and you can must subscribe that YouTube channel. So before we dive into SCR, let's quickly talk about CoinStore. CoinStore is a global crypto exchange that has been constantly expanding on its launch pad. So friend, you know the CoinStore about, and what is personally like about CoinStore launch pad is that it is on structured IEO transparency and user participation either than hype only launch. New Now let's talk about the SCR. SCR is SCR is a part of blockchain powered parts and the fantasy gaming ecosystem designed to reward user engagements and skill based participation instead of just being another token. SCR is positioned as a utility assets and inside a platform where users interact, compact, and participate in digital sports experience. The idea is pretty clear: combine sports and its enthusiasm, gaming mechanism, and blockchain ownership into one ecosystem, and SCR become the fuel of that runs its all. What stands out to me about SCR is how it aims to connect real users activity with an on-chain value rather than passive holding. SCR, so friend, is designed to be used inside the ecosystem for access, engagement, and participation. This kind of model makes senses become sports fans already love competition and rewards. SCR tried to being the natural excitement into the web 3 environment where user actually have ownership and transparency. So friend, now here is the big part of the SCR launching via CoinStore Launchpad. This is mean that yes, you can see on the Launchpad page, you will see the SCR IEO details, participation steps, and allocation information. Launchpads like this reduce a lot of frictions for users who want early access without navigating the risky verifying and platform. This exactly why CoinStore is bringing bridges and or early access with the exchanges level structures. Another positive sign is that SCR is actively building its online presence. Its project has official websites and also is he has a good Twitter access. You so must follow this Twitter account, and you will get more information about the transparency and communication matter a lot in the crypto. And so far SCR seems focused on building awareness rather than over promising. So friends, presently personally, what excites me about this project is sports plus blockchain angles. So sports communication communities are massive, loyal, and already engagement driven. Adding blockchain incentives unlock the could unlock the something interesting. Of course, like any ICO, this is not a financial advice, and everyone should do their own research, friends. But as a concept and launch strongly, SCR on CoinStore Launchpad is definitely worth watching. So friends, if we talk about the project, if you are interested in upcoming ICO, make sure to check out CoinStore Launchpad directly. And after you checking the CoinStore official YouTube channel, I'll tag it to your comments, and must you should join the CoinStore YouTube channel, and you can see. So friends, if we more dive into the project, let me know your thoughts on the SCR below. Are you interested in supports based crypto projects or not? So you can see this supply is very good, and also token name is SCR, and second largest sports. The next you can see build different features, and the website also very good, and you can also find their white paper here and easily check it out from their website. So I hope this project will give more and more benefits for you, and you will get more benefits from this project. Also join their YouTube channel, must join their YouTube channel. You will get more information, and also join their Twitter, so you can get more about the project. And you can see CoinStore also giving good projects in these days. So friends, CoinStore Launchpad ICR could be the next sports crypto SCR ICO, or CoinStore Launchpad and sports meets blockchain, and CoinStore alerts SCR token explained Launchpad. This is friend, I hope this project will give more and more benefits for you. If you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video very soon.